Okay, guys, let's take a look at CAD JPY for this week. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So, let's start with the trend first on this CAD JPY. We can see that this is a bearish move, meaning this is a downward movement. So, all what we would want to do is look for a better place to actually take our sell on this CAD JPY. So, this week, right now, we will be getting that opportunity to sell on CAD JPY. So since this is a bearish move, right? Last week was kind of like a correction. The reason it was that JPY literally fell hard last week. This is one of the reasons why all our JPY pairs actually gave us a bullish move. You can see it on CAD JPY, you can see it on GBP JPY, you can see it on New Zealand JPY, AUD JPY. They all went bullish due to the fact of the bearish move of JPY last week. Right now, this is a correction. So the next movement we'll be aiming for on this CAD JPY is actually a downtrend move, a downward movement. So now let's head down to the daily time frame. So the correction is literally playing. So with this movement, I'll be expecting it to drop. So if in case this CAD JPY will go bullish, then we are to see it hit a level of 99. Currently, we are trading at 98, by the way. So this CAD JPY is trading at 98. It is at this level of 98 I will be expecting a drop on CAD JPY. At the same time, it's very much likely to hit a level of 99 before it drop. Above all, the goal on CAD JPY is actually to sell, not to buy, right? So if we don't get the drop at this level of 98, then we would see it head to a level of 99. And guess what will happen? CAD JPY will now start dropping. So let's see what this forward time frame is literally saying. So on this forward time frame, we are still an uptrend move, right? So let's see if we are going to get a rejection from this level of 98. If in case we don't get that rejection, then we would see it head straight to a level of 99. Once it can hit a level of 99, then I can show you that a drop we actually play out next on CAD JPY. Now, to those of you that would love to take high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning, I'm going to be putting a link to that channel, which will be in the comment section, by the way. So once you check the comment section, you'll see a link to that channel. You can sign up in there. I'll be putting out good quality trades. So if in case you're having trouble growing up your account with the trade that I'm going to be putting out there, you'll be able to make useful use of it, right? The link to that Patreon channel will be in the comment section. You can give it a try for just a month. If after the month of April, you can now decide if you have to keep your subscription or if you have to cancel your subscription.